Making a light-sensitive LDR alarm. Requirements: resistance R1, R2, R3 of 100 kilo ohms, 56 kilo ohm, and 10 kilo ohms respectively. Two transistors T1 and T2 of numbers BC558 and BC548 respectively. LDR. Capacitor C1 0.04 microfarad, 3 VDC 2 cells, speaker 2.5 inches, 8 ohms. Method. Two transistors NPN and PNP are connected with a positive feedback RC oscillator as a complementary pair. The LDR is now connected to points A and B and is given voltage to base of NPN. The output of PNP is now connected to a speaker. When the light falls on LDR, the alarm sets off.